Good morning. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. It's that time to clean out the closet. Clean out the closet. Clean out. Guys, so if you're interested in today's video, keep on watching as I clean out my decor closet, okay? Guys, we stuck to it and we got through it. We got through another week, almost. Not the full complete week, but we did make it to Friday. So have a little gratitude, have a little thankfulness, have a little hopefulness, have a little peace, have a little laughter. Okay, y'all? So guess what, y'all? Happy Friday, okay? Happy Friday. And for that, we are truly blessed. Have a little grace. Have a little mercy. Have a little thankfulness. All right, y'all. Let's get into this video today, guys. Today is a day to clean out them closets. So I am getting rid of a lot of decor stuff that was in this closet that I had to offer up. I did get a lot of messages for some of the things, but guys, I am that type of person. You can let me know in the comments, are you the same? If a person messaged me and they say they want it and then they say they don't want it, or they change their mind or whatever, and it's still on there for like weeks and weeks at a time, I am one of those people that I have to let it go. I have to donate it. I had to lighten y'all up. I have to donate it. So we're going to do a donation drop off today, guys, because she can't be having that stuff in the closet. So I'm going to show you guys what it is that I'm donating. So you guys already seen some of this stuff. The lamp is still for sale, and those pillows, somebody did say they wanted them. And then I'm gonna have 2 sets of these because these came out the bedroom, those pillows there. But these are the 2 sets of curtains out the bedroom. So all of this stuff here is gonna go, yes guys, some Nike socks, this little glass here, all that stuff needs to go. So we're gonna put all of that stuff over here because it's gonna go in that bag. Yeah guys, I can't. It's like every time I come in here and get a coat or something, it really like drives me not insane, but I just know it's time to let it go because it's just sitting here and I have no use for it, and somebody else can use it. So I think that's it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna let this pampas grass I have 2 can go. So I have to wrap this in a separate bag. But yeah guys, these are the items that are going to be going in the bag today. So I am going to visit the bins today. I really am. And let me get my coat out now. I'm going to visit the bins today. Nothing really, no intentions on anything big. I will look back in the back to see if they have a dresser. And also, what else did I say? I will look in the back and see if they have a dresser. If not, that's okay. What else? I'm trying to think, you guys. It's early in the morning, so you know how that is. I'm gonna look to see if they have any. Y'all were out of focus. I'm gonna see if they have any dressers. I'm gonna look for the thing that I need for the stainless steel glass tea kettle. Yeah, I still haven't been able to find that. I've been on Amazon. If anybody here in this chat or on my channel knows what to click on or what to put in, like for what you're searching for on Amazon, I did put on there that I needed the accessory part, that I needed like I'm willing to pay for it, but I need a replacement part. Are there certain keywords that you need to for them to know what you're talking about? Because I've tried to do it like time and time again, and it's not working. So yeah, I'm at my wit's end on that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I'm a donation. I'm gonna go to the bins. That's $1 today. There are only a few things I'm looking for. I'll bring you guys along if I can. And then we'll just probably have a little tea time in the car, y'all, this morning, okay? All right, guys, we have a little tea time in the car, a little tea time car chat. So remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So guys, today's tea time is basically just being patient with ourselves and being patient in everything that we do, because we can't like always rush at things, because I think when we rush, it like detours the what you're trying to accomplish. It detours that because you're rushing. So that is my thing for tea time today, is for us to be patient in all that we do. And this even speaks for me. Prime example, you know, me and Mark, went and got the doors. I found the doors one day. We went and got them the next day. I'm super excited. Y'all, the doors don't even fit. It's like I had the right measurements for the walls and stuff, the doorway in the house. But at the same time, I was so eager and so impatient to get these doors that they don't even fit. So even though, you know, we might be at a $14, which we can still post them on Craigslist, offer up or something like that. But it's just the point of being, if I was a little bit more patient, because he kept saying, are you sure? It was just, and I was just like, I feel really, really bad, because it's like I'm pushing him to do something. Well, both of us to do something, and it's going to take more work. I'm trying to find ways to, oh, if we put this wood right here, it'll give us what we need on both sides where the spaces are going to be. Guys, we have to learn to be patient. We do. I'm not wanting for anything, and I know a lot of you probably are not wanting for anything. So for that reason, we should have patience too, that whatever he wants us to have, we will have it at his appointed time. So that is my tea time for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in a little while, okay? Outside of the car. Yeah, this is some of the stuff they got in here. Look at these chairs. Beautiful. They got some really nice stuff. Look at this. They want $200 for it, though. Got gold legs. So, I haven't found anything yet, but I'll bring you back around. Y'all, I did pretty good today at the bins, and I went by myself. I'm actually gonna drop these donations off now and head to work. But I got a few good things, y'all. When I was back there by that furniture stuff, I seen these chairs that were black metal chairs. They were 2 for $40 for the backyard, because I told y'all, well, maybe I didn't tell y'all, I'm trying to get rid of the mesh plastic and metal chairs that I had got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Y'all, somebody's gonna be happy to get this stuff. Let me get my glove. Somebody's gonna be really happy. But yeah, I want to get rid of those chairs. Am I gonna be able to do this? Oh boy. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I wanted to get rid of those chairs for the summer, and those recumbent chairs that go all the way back. They're plastic and metal, so I'm really trying to like upgrade to all metal chairs. So hopefully I can. But they had 2 of those for $40. I started to get them, and then I was like, well, maybe I'll just wait, y'all. I'm trying to practice being patient. I hope that glass don't break, because this other stuff, somebody got something right there that'll protect it. So yeah, is this gonna be able to close? Uh-oh, y'all, wait a minute. It's a box right there. Ew. But yeah, the donations are gone. I'm so glad. But I will show you guys what I got once I get home later. And I gotta wipe my hands because I touched that thing. But I will show y'all later. But I got a nice little haul for like $4 and some change. Like really cute things, and something that we were just discussing yesterday that we needed. And something that I seen there before that probably was like $2 or $3 or $5, and I got it for $1 today. So I'll show you guys later once I get home. All right. That all these on my way home. Well, before I got home, I picked up a few items. So I got some. This ain't nothing but for no haul. So I got some spinach, a cucumber, some split leaf, split top wheat bread for the boys, because they like, MJ likes peanut butter and jelly. I already done these. I got some corn chips, some Thousand Island dressing, because we don't have no more dressing. I got some apple juice and organic apple juice. And I got some navel oranges because they were on sale for $1.99. So I wanted to get them because if I don't. So that's it. We're going to get ready to get into the haul. Y'all, I had to take that thing down. I felt like my head was like, woo. So hold on, we'll get into the haul, okay? All right, guys, let's get into this super good haul. So I'm going to show you guys everything I got in this bag here. So I'm gonna pick up the smaller things, and then we'll get into the few bigger things. I only spent $4.71 today, guys. My whole idea was like, look at the furniture, see if I can find that thing for the kettle. So, you know, that was it. It wasn't like I was going in there and like buy, just like grab all kinds of stuff. I only got things that I needed and that needed to be here, and some other little, you know, y'all get it. So the first two little hold on, y'all. The first two little things that I picked up were, if I can get it out the bag, y'all, were these two items here. So this is a oops, I dropped something. This is a aroma. This is Nature's Truth peppermint spray. So I got this. It's in a metal container. I do have a fitting for this, a cap and a fitting for this that is metal that I keep like for other things. So that works out fine. So I'm gonna put this with my other natural stuff in the bathroom. I found another coaster, guys. Look how pretty that is. Can y'all see that? I found this coaster. Look at that, so cute. So I'm probably gonna put it in here on the table, but this was super duper cute to me. So I got this and this. She gave me this for a quarter, and she just threw this in my bag. That's what they do sometimes. Okay, you guys, remember I hauled before a piece of art item. Look at this, y'all. Look what I got for $1. So this hooks on here. Wait a minute. Yeah, this hooks on here. If you guys can see, I already have a piece to this. I'm going to show you guys, but this hooks on here. They have like slits in them at the top. If you can see, they have like slits right here, and you can just slide it. You can just slide this. Y'all get what I'm saying? But this slides here. It was on there, but it keeps falling out. Hold on. There we go. So this one, the bigger one, is upside down. So what I'll do is I'll turn it around. But let me show you guys the other one that I have that fits in this part. Okay. So I have that already on the bar cart. So guys, I already told y'all, like this candle here, this gold candle, once that's burnt out, I will be using that for a flower. I mean for a plant. I already have one already picked out for that container. So this is the one that I hauled a long time ago, y'all, for like $1 or something. So this one will go up here on top. It will be at this way, and then this one is go this way. So I think this is a margarita. If you guys know, let me know. My sister knows how to do margaritas and stuff. I'm not good with that, but she lives out of town. But if she comes in town, I can have her teach me, or I can have my daughter, somebody teach me, or I can just Google it. But this is the matching piece that goes along with this. So I found this for $1. I'm glad about that. I also found this wood tray. You guys remember me telling you about this. This actually is a 2-tier tray, wood and metal. So I will be putting this in the bathroom to put like just miscellaneous things like soap, a candle. So I don't have like, there's not a lot of counter space, but this will make good to put some, you know, to put some things. So I got this, and this is originally like $3 or $5, I think, but I got it for $1 today. And we were talking about getting more hangers yesterday, but we were talking about black hangers, y'all. Instead of that we have light blonde wood ones, dark ones, and white ones. Guys, how come I found 2-pack of the wood here? This is wood, and then this part is metal, and the clamps are metal, and this is metal. These were $1, so I got 2 of those. And last but not least, guys, I got a pair of shoes. Now this is so funny to me because what I seen first was one of these, right? And it had I seen one of the shoes in one bin, and then as I was walking and finding other little things, I found the other shoe, and I kept saying, now I'm gonna take this shoe back over there, and hopefully the other shoe has the two matching things that go around your ankles, the bands here, and guess what? They were there. So I got these suede and canvas bamboo like type of shoe for the spring summer. These were originally $30, y'all, and they are by A New Day. So that's how much they originally were. And they are super, super cute, guys. Look at that. They are so cute. And I love that khaki color. And if you don't remember, I mean, if you forgot, remember that khaki dress that I showed you guys that I did a try on? These will actually match that really, really good because it's like the same color, but these might be a tad lighter. But yeah, guys, this is all I got from the bins today. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna wipe some of these things off and put it where they belong. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world is a much better place. Bye, y'all.